Think math.
When we look at a histogram, what are we actually reading? The height of a column or the area it covers? Those are two different things. And yet, in a histogram, oddly, you get the same answer either way. Why should that be? Start with the width of a column. In a histogram, the width of one column is the span its class covers, which is the class width. And 2 episodes ago, we agreed to make every class width the same. So every column has the identical width. That single fact settles everything. Now write down the area. A rectangle's area is width times height. The width is the same number for every column, and the height is that class's frequency. So the area is always one fixed number times the frequency. Twice the frequency, twice the area. 3 times 3 times. That is proportionality. So you may read the area instead. If one column covers twice the area of another, twice as many people are in that class. When our eyes sweep a graph, we take in the size of the block before the height of it. A histogram is drawn so that reading it that way is not a mistake. There is a condition attached to that convenience. The condition that every width is the same. Make one box twice as wide and its area doubles while the count has not moved at all. That is the reason unequal widths cannot be compared. The eye reads area and the area is lying. So because the width is constant, the area follows the frequency exactly. That is why height and area give the same answer. Next time, what you get when you add up the area of every column at once. See you in the next one. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.